Okay. Hi. Say good morning. Good morning. Remember, she's new. She don't get any name as yet. I need a name for you. I don't know what I'm gonna name you. Willie. Willie? That's Willie over there. Come here, Willie. Come. Willie, we are feeding. Hey, don't throw away the water because you're gonna need it. Willie. Willie? Oh my God.
Really deaf.
Willie not paying me now. Okay, that's Willie. We don't give her a name as yet. But over here we have Blessing. Blessing pan top of Blessing. Blessing? Jesus, all Blessing face I eat. Crave me your father. That's Blessing over there. And this is the big mama. I'm afraid I forget. Hi, Charlotte. Don't put up your foot then.
Jump up there.
Say good morning. Charlotte. Say good morning. Charlotte, now say good morning. Hey, Charlotte.
She wants to give you a kiss.
You want to give me a kiss? No, Charlotte don't want to give me a kiss. She's not that friendly. She's not hungry. Go, Charlotte. Go now. Charlotte is a Rudy. So she do it, pen. Another penny I forgot fix back because she messed it up. That's my big mama right there. And this is Blessing on top of Blessing. Oh, so this Blessing, that's Blessing mommy. Okay. Right, Blessing? That's your mommy over there. Up there, I need a name for her.